Hello children, let's continue with chapter number 3, that is understanding quadrilaterals of standard 8th. We have solved examples wherein we were using the exterior angle property of a quadrilateral, and we were using another formula wherein we learnt about the method of finding the measures of an angle of a regular polygon. So let us proceed with the thing. Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have? If the measures of an exterior angle is 24. Now we are considering the number of sides to be x. Here, the number of sides will be equal to 360 divided by the measure of an exterior angle of a given regular polygon. Children, in the earlier example or the formula which we discussed that measure of each angle is equal to 360 upon number of sides. The other way, number of sides also can be found. It is equal to 360 upon measure of each angle. So number of sides here is equal to 360 upon 24, which is equal to 15. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Now here we have been given the measure of interior angles. So we are supposed to find out the measure of exterior angles initially, which is always in linear pair with the interior angles. So measure of exterior angle will be 180 minus 165, that is 15 degree. Now that we know the measure of each exterior angle, we can find out the number of sides the given polygon, regular polygon, will have. The formula is number of sides is equal to total 360 degrees divided by measure of each angle, that is 15 degrees. So we get the answer equal to 24. Hence the regular polygon has 24 sides. Now the next question is it possible to have a regular polygon with each exterior angle as 22 degrees? Now if the exterior angle is 22 degrees, let us try to find out or compute the number of sides. So the number of sides of the regular polygon will be total 360 divided by measure of each exterior angle. In this case it is given to be 22 degrees. So the answer is 16.3. But children, we all know that we cannot have a polygon with decimal number of sides. It can be 16, it can be 17, but it can never be equal to 16.3. So we write it as the number of side is 16.3, we just cannot have a regular polygon with this measure as 22 degrees. So we conclude that 22 degrees cannot be the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Now, if the interior angle is 22 degrees, the exterior angle will be 180 minus 22, because the interior angle and the exterior angle makes up a linear pair. So the measure is 158 degree for the exterior angle. Now the formula goes as 360 upon measure of exterior angles, which is 360 upon 158, which is 2.2. Again we know that 2.2 cannot be the number of sides of a polygon. So we conclude that 22 degree cannot be the measure of the internal or interior angle also. It cannot be the measure of exterior as well as interior angle of any regular polygon. Now the next question is, What is the minimum number of interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle possible for any regular polygon is always 360 because it is the minimum number of side which is possible, and that is for a triangle. For a triangle, regular triangle, that is equilateral triangle, the given measure of each angle is 60 degree, and hence it is the minimum angle that is possible for any interior angle. Now the question is, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? As we already know that the interior angle and the exterior angle makes up a linear pair, minimum interior angle will give you maximum exterior angle, which is only possible for equilateral triangle. So maximum exterior angle possible will be 180 minus 60. 60 is the minimum angle possible for any regular polygon, and that is why the maximum exterior angle will be 120 degrees. With this, we come to the end of the given topic. We'll come up with more interesting things in the coming videos. Thank you for now.